The most ideal way to get individuals and web search tools, and that implies more individuals, to your site is by getting significant inbound connections. Be that as it may, with an essential, strong site page, the cycle might be considerably more troublesome and slower. How would you get individuals to connect to you? The most ideal way is to exhaust your wallet. Alright, simply joking, above all, we will figure out how simple that is. For instance, there is compensation for contributing to a blog administration that will cost you basically $5 per blog entry, per interface, and perhaps $25 or more. Since we'll gobble up your financial plan and quick. These paid blog joins don't accompany any assurance. You may get loads of guests, and you probably won't get any whatsoever. Pay-per-click is one more incredible choice for burning through the entirety of your cash. This will bring you guests, without a doubt, and you'll know how much every one expenses. That is it. There is no drawn-out benefit. The advertisements show for just as long as you pay for them. Whenever your cash isn't on the table, you don't exist. You can purchase connects out of control. Again, this might wind up costing you a chunk of change. You could possibly get reasonable outcomes, yet when you quit paying the outcomes, positive or negative, stop. You don't gain anything for what's to come. Presently, writing is an extraordinary method for getting guests and fostering a drawn-out return. Blog entries will generally keep close by for quite a while. The stunt here is to get individuals to blog about your site without giving up a heap of your well-deserved money. An extraordinary thought is to turn into a visitor blogger. This would be the place where you compose blog entries for others' websites. Peruse your connections on another person's site free of charge. This places you steering the ship for several reasons. To begin with, you have command over precisely what is said. Also, if you work really hard, you might have the chance to make standard blog entries. That will construct a crowd of people on the online journals for your composition and transform into more and greater traffic for your site. The way to being an extraordinary visitor blogger is to compose short, 3 to 6 or so passage posts that are intriguing, instructive, amusing, and pertinent to the subject of the blog and your site. Obviously, they ought to have a connection to your site. Try not to exaggerate the connection. Try not to make it sound like a commercial or something you recently reordered from your site. A couple of moments to make a couple out of thoroughly examined sections could do wonders for your web traffic. Continue searching for visitor writing for a blog open doors, and never utilize a similar post for more than one blog. One post could bring a long period of traffic. This likely could be your best method for creating quality web traffic and improving your SEO for your websites. How to get the most SEO and web traffic benefits from blogging.